Guys, in this video I'll share how to make Nigerian style smoked fish in your own kitchen. Mackerel is the best fish for Nigerian smoked fish. First, we rub some salt all over the fish. I've already cleaned the fish. I removed the intestines because it gives the fish a sort of bitter taste when done. Bend the fish and pin the tail to the mouth with a toothpick. Place in the oven. You can also use a microwave oven with a grill setting for this. I'll be using a conventional oven because it gives me better results. Bake for 15 minutes and remove the top foil. If your fish is bigger than mine, you will need to bake for much longer. Change your oven setting to grill and grill till it browns. Should take about 10 minutes. That's it. This smoked fish is perfect for okra soup and abacha. Yum.